Amazon rainforest, a living tapestry woven across a continent. Within its depths, slither serpents as thick as your body, and trees with leaves large enough to hold a child. Here, blood-red sap flows from ancient trees, and a river burns with the earth's raw fury. But the Amazon's greatest secret isn't what we can see with our eyes. It's what lies buried, forgotten, and flowing in the unseen world below. The very name Amazon was born in conflict. In 1542, Spanish conquistador Francisco de Orellana led a treacherous expedition down the river. Orellana's men were suddenly attacked by warriors unlike any they had encountered before. Fierce, fearless women fighting with unmatched intensity to defend their domain. It's said these women reminded Orellana of the legendary Amazons of Greek myth. In Greek mythology, the Amazons were a nation of fierce female warriors. They were skilled in archery, horsemanship, and combat. From that clash onward, both the river and the rainforest surrounding it were forever known as the Amazon. For centuries, the Amazon was portrayed as a pristine wilderness, incapable of supporting anything beyond small nomadic tribes. This view is rapidly crumbling. Over the past few decades, a combination of archaeological work, cutting-edge technology, and a reappraisal of historical accounts paints a radically different picture. Tools like LIDAR, which uses airborne lasers to map the terrain beneath the dense jungle canopy, are revealing hidden structures, mounds, earthworks, roads, and canals. These discoveries aren't made in isolation. Ground-based surveys and excavations follow, unearthing fragments of pottery, charcoal for carbon dating, and altered soil that speak of long-term human presence. Even early explorers' accounts, once dismissed as exaggerations about vast settlements along the riverbanks, are now taken more seriously. The picture emerging is one of far more complex societies than previously imagined. These civilizations built raised fields for agriculture, managed the forests around them, and constructed intricate earthworks suggestive of large, organized populations. Settlements range from villages to fortified towns and likely interconnected cities. Some researchers now believe millions inhabited the Amazon before European contact. However, just as the scale of these civilizations becomes clearer, so too do the mysteries surrounding them. We don't know what languages they spoke, the details of their internal conflicts and trading networks, or their religious beliefs. Their disappearance is also a heartbreaking puzzle. Even environmental factors, localized climate events, or resource depletion could have played a role. The Amazon isn't empty. Hundreds of indigenous groups, carrying within them the legacy of these earlier civilizations and a wealth of knowledge about the rainforest, still call it home. Their traditional ways of life hold invaluable insights about sustainable living, plant medicines, and the delicate Amazonian ecosystem. Sadly, their territories and way of life are under constant assault from deforestation, illegal mining, and the continuing pressure of outside influences. The vastness of the Amazon also fuels whispers of legendary creatures, unverified but captivating nonetheless. The folklore speaks of giant anacondas, the secretive, reaching lengths far exceeding documented specimens. Locals believe these colossal serpents possess hypnotic powers and guard hidden treasures within the rainforest. The green anaconda, the undisputed heavyweight champion of the Amazon, reigns supreme in the realm of snakes. This emerald leviathan can reach a staggering 30 feet in length and weigh over 500 pounds. Imagine encountering a muscle-bound serpent thicker than your torso. That's the green anaconda. Sharing the watery domain with the anaconda is the black caiman, the Amazon's apex predator. These jet-black hunters can grow up to 16 feet long, resembling scaled leviathans lurking in the murky depths. Black caimans have been known to attack humans, making them a force to be reckoned with in the Amazon's waterways. A monstrous relative of the black caiman puts the modern predator to shame. Estimates suggest Purosaurus could potentially have grown over 40 feet in length, with a skull the size of a bathtub and a bite force strong enough to crush bone. Imagine this prehistoric leviathan patrolling the Amazon's ancient rivers, a true terror of the deep. The Amazon rainforest isn't just about bizarre and mind-blowing animals. It's also a treasure trove of bizarre and fascinating plants that seem to defy the laws of nature. Take the walking palm, whose stilt-like roots allow it to slowly migrate across the forest floor, seeking better sunlight. Or the dragon's blood tree, which oozes a blood-red sap used for traditional medicine. There's even a species of parasitic vine, aptly called the vampire plant, that pierces other trees to steal their nutrients. And let's not forget the giant water lilies, with leaves so enormous they can support the weight of a small child. Deep within the heart of the Peruvian Amazon lies a natural phenomenon that defies belief: the boiling river, or Shanai Timpishka. Stretching for miles, this river's waters reach scalding temperatures, hot enough to cook an unsuspecting animal or even poach an egg. While the exact cause of this geothermal wonder remains debated, legends speak of a mighty serpent, the Yakumama, heating the river with its fiery breath. The Amazon's hold on our imagination extends far beyond the verdant green of the rainforest. In the realm of the boiling river, we encountered the Earth's hidden power. But what if another vast river lurks within the Amazon, unseen by human eyes? Enter the Rio Hamza, a subterranean marvel mirroring the path of the famed Amazon River for thousands of miles. Unlike its rushing counterpart, the Hamza inches along at an impossibly slow pace. Scientists believe its warm, salty waters may be thousands, even millions, of years old. Could the Hamza hold clues about the Amazon's ancient past? Might it harbor unique ecosystems, isolated for millennia in the darkness below? The Rio Hamza proves that even within a place as seemingly familiar as the Amazon, profound mysteries remain, waiting to be unearthed. The Amazon will forever hold its mysteries. It is a place where the wonders of nature and the echoes of the past intertwine. Even as we unravel its secrets, new ones will always emerge. Let us leave the Amazon with both a newfound appreciation and a sense of respect for the unknown. Share what you've learned today. Tell a friend about an incredible creature, about lost civilizations, or the threats the Amazon faces. Every spark of awareness helps ensure this remarkable place endures for generations to come.